Hello everyone! Today we will be looking at how to use metallic Waterslide Decal paper. What makes this product special is that it is easier than it looks. Also, the metallic can be applied as a form of printed film. There are 4 different color choices: gold, silver, hologram plain, and hologram pattern. Edit the shape and size of the image as needed. While editing, use black color only. Place the metallic film on the printing side of the decal paper and fix the left side with a glue so it doesn't move around. Feed the overlapping papers through the laminator. Carefully peel off the film from the decal paper. Cut out the image according to the shape. Immerse the decal in warm water for around 20 seconds, then take it out. Apply the decal and then remove any remaining air bubbles or water using a squeegee. Once it's completely dry, you are done. The adhesion will improve with time, or you can use a dryer to accelerate the process. Thank you. For more information about our products, please visit our website at www.sunnyscopa.co.kr. Feel free to send us an email if you have any questions.